back to my channel. Today we're going to be making another beautiful app. This app is gonna, like some people, it's gonna look really hard and they're gonna be like, this is gonna be really hard to make. But telling you guys, it's really easy peasy. Now let's get started. First of all, here, by the way, I'm not gonna show you guys the design part. I'm only going to show you guys the coding part, so that's a heads up. And I'm going to give you guys some hints about the design. So here we need two sliders, one for height and one for width. So before we get started, before I tell you guys, I just want to say that this app is kind of like a photo editor where you pick an image from your device and you set the height and the width of the image and you click a button. Then the image is going to show up on the screen. Now, like I told you, slider 1 is for height and slider 2 is for width. This is a photo select. You could find it right over here. And it's basically when you click on it, you select a photo from your device. Then when this is a button, when you click on it, it will show up the image. Now let's get started coding. First of all, I'm going to do on event. When this button is clicked, first of all, we need to set the image. So set image URL. Image 1 is where we're going to set it. And get it from photo slide 1. Next thing we're going to do is set property. Set property, image 1, height. Don't do get number because sometimes don't do get text, not get number. Don't do get text because sometimes it doesn't really work. It's better to do get number. And get number from slider 1 because slider 1 is for height. Same thing for width. The only thing I'm going to change is instead of height here, we're going to do width. And instead of get number from slider 1, we're going to do get number slider 2 because get number slider 2 is equal to width. Okay guys, so we're done. Here is my code for the width. Set property image 1 width, get number from slider 2. Now let's get started. The fun part, checking out our app. Let's do it. We're going to click run. By the way, I'm going to reload the page because sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes the encoder dark. Sometimes you just need to reload the page, then it will work. So yeah. Okay, just reload the page. Now let's try it out. So pick an image. I'm just going to pick that one. So the size. Let's make it more bigger. You see, it's getting bigger and bigger. Now let's make it smaller. Getting smaller. So that's it, guys. I really hope you guys liked it and had fun making it. Remember to subscribe my channel and ring the bell button for more notification. Bye. See you next time.